Experiencing issues with your Spectrum cable box like freezing or slow performance? The first thing to try is a menu reset, also known as a soft reboot. First, press the menu button on your Spectrum remote. Next, navigate to either Settings or Help. This varies depending on your specific box model. Within Settings or Help, look for an option labeled System or Restart. Select it and then choose Restart or Reboot Now. The box will initiate the reboot process. Be patient. It usually takes 1 to 3 minutes to complete. You'll see a starting up screen during this time. This soft reboot leverages the box's built-in recovery mode. If the issue persists after the soft reboot, proceed to the hard reboot method. If a menu reset doesn't resolve the problem, a hard reboot using power options is the next step. This is a more forceful restart that clears all temporary memory and acts like a full power cycle. It's more disruptive but effective for hardware-related issues. There are 2 ways to perform a hard reboot. Method 1, press and hold the power button on your Spectrum remote for 5 to 10 seconds. This should force the box to shut down. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Method 2, unplug the cable box from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This completely cuts off power. Once power is restored, the box will restart automatically. As with the soft reboot, allow 1 to 3 minutes for the process to finish. If you're still encountering problems after a hard reboot, it's best to contact Spectrum support for further assistance at 1-833-267-6094. Be mindful to not do hard reboots often as it can prevent wear on components.